Yo, Friday, it's day 17. I'm gonna give you a little update what I've done in the last couple days. Not much, but I did do something that was really cool. Check this out. So I wanted to make this like the Canadian standard, and you might have seen some of it, but I shaved all this off. So it's actually nice and smooth now. I've got to pull this side off tomorrow and finish that part as well to Bondo it down, and then we'll do a skim coat over it, primer it, and then we're gonna have the inside of this thing painted this weekend. So that way I can seal it up. All this area is gonna be painted. Everything's gonna be nice and smooth, minus, from what I understand, which Preacher's not here, he has a Canadian standard, but this piece still stays, and you just put that little rubber piece down this. So I'm gonna go check his car out this weekend. He's in Hawaii or somewhere. Dude's always traveling somewhere, but he has an oval Canadian standard, and I want to check it out and see exactly what it is so it kind of matches it. So from my understanding, they do have that, but we'll get that done. That part of the primer's done. We have the other side to knock down, and then we'll hopefully have the whole car skim coated. I did one of these bumpers to test them and see, sorry, not bumpers, fenders. We painted the fenders to get an understanding on how the paint's gonna react. I did some sanding on this. No prep was done on this. Look at how crappy that looks. That's what happens when you don't go through the proper steps. Did this just to show you that when you don't prep a surface the right way, it doesn't work. So I pretty much just sprayed it, shot it along with the other one. This one we did some prep work on it as well, but you can see I didn't get all of it off. So I'm actually gonna just scuff this whole thing down again when I redo that fender and the other one. We'll put it on and do it all at once. So we've got something coming next week. That way we can paint this car here. So I got a couple other goodies along the way so we can make this happen. But this weekend, interior will be painted and prepped. We'll do all the doors, all the sides, and then we'll do the bottom. We're not powder coating it. We're not gonna do it. It's not, no exceptions. The reason we're not powder coating it is this is a budget build. I'm doing this at my house, trying to learn how to build a car to be as best as possible, so that way, hopefully it helps other people. I don't know what I'm doing. We don't know what we're doing. Dana, the other day, she learned to Bondo. Is it perfect? No, but it's pretty damn good, if you ask me. There's no ripples. There's a big hole right here with time, but for what she did, not knowing, looks good. If I had the time, I probably would do all this. I like really clean wheel wells and really smooth ones, but we don't got the time. We're day 17. I was expecting to be a lot farther than this. Dana was sick last week, so life goes on. So we're good now. We're gonna make this shit happen. We ain't got much to do this weekend, but work on this car, and we've got some pretty cool stuff coming, as well as this. And how am I gonna do this? Maybe we'll try this way. And this. Something really cool is coming in the mail as well, so wait for that. Oh, I forgot to do my clickety-clack. Day 17, check out everydaykeras.com. Custom metal pens. Once you get one of these, you'll never want another pen. I don't even write that much, but it's the best thing to have. You can see it. Just listen to that crisp. Anyway, everydaykeras.com. All metal pens. They come out custom. Someone's messaged me on Facebook as always. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go.